Welcome, today I am with XIAOMI Mi 11 Ultra and I will show you how you can apply tempered glass in this smartphone. So I have the flat version of the screen protection. The best option is to get the screen protector with curves, because the screen here got curves, as you can see. But also we can use the simple tempered glass to protect this part of the screen. So what we have to do, open the box with the tempered glass. Inside you will find two wipes. Let me just remove them. Okay, there it is. So at the first we are going to use the wet wipe. You have to remove all dust, fingerprints and all the greasy marks from your display. Just basically clean your screen by using this wet wipe. So you have to make a few moves. You have to reach corners, edges and also the middle section of the screen. When you finish, you can put this wipe back and open the dry one. So right now we have to use this wipe to remove wet cleaning marks. Okay, and just take a look on the screen, just to be sure that everything is fine. As you can see, it is. So right now we can grab our tempered glass. You have to start from this sticker. You have to grab it like that and gently remove. As you can see, it comes with the foil that is attached under our glass, and you have to remove it slowly. Just like that. Right now, just take a look one more time on your screen and be sure that everything is fine. You can light up your screen, grab the protector, keep holding the bottom part and put the upper section of the screen of the glass to your display. You can light up the screen to be sure that everything is fine, and we put the glass evenly. That's how it looks in my case. So when you apply the top section of the screen correctly, you have to press with the middle finger and then put the bottom part. And take a look right now. We can press anywhere, like for example here, and there it is. As you can see, it goes almost automatically. You can press, for example, right here at the bottom and at the top to make it faster, to get it stick to our display. Yeah, and that's it. Of course, when you get something like the air bubble right here in the middle, you can remove it easily by pushing to one of the edge, just to remove this air that is under the display, under the glass I mean. You can also leave this glass like that, and it will be removed. As you can see, it disappears. So right now we got here a lot of my fingerprints and also other glue marks under the screen, so we have to clean them. To remove these glue marks, you have to simply press on them with your finger or with this wipe. They will disappear after that. Okay, and after a few moments our glass is applied, so we can turn on our display, and I will show you that everything is fine with the touch interaction. So as you can see, you don't have to be afraid of applying glass on this phone. Yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.